Welcome back! Are you ready for another one-of-a-kind remake project? Let's take this beautiful gold and silver silk obi with medallion pattern embroidery as the focal point of a really cute and big tote bag. As always, I will sprinkle some footage of my life between the segments, like my trip to Kagoshima and my spring garden. Enjoy! Many of you may recognize this beautiful orange silk obi. Yes, I made a messenger bag out of it a while back. I still had a lot of obi fabric left over from the other project. And this time I wanted to feature this lovely embroidery portion as the centerpiece. I gave myself a bit of extra width from the center design, making sure the other side of the bag matches the pattern perfectly. I marked the middle part, which is 6 inches from the edges, and I'm going to cut the back side of the obi in half. I'm going to iron this interfacing so it's nice and straight, and I think I will sew it on here so all the threads are stable. I'm kind of not sure exactly what I'm doing, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Kanpai.
Kanpai.
Mm, 皮ごと食べれるって。So this is going to be the bottom part of the bag, and I feel like this is kind of flimsy, so I'm adding this interfacing, and this part's already quite thick, so that's not a problem, the body part. So I think I'm going to go ahead and fold this over so it makes it thicker, and sew this part first, and then do the same thing with the other side, and combine it together and sew together here. I'd rather have the bottom be very sturdy instead of big and flimsy. So I'm just gonna sew this and see what happens. Oh, what happened? Oh, yeah. Okay. So that's going to be nice and thick at the bottom. I'm liking that. So I might do the same up here at the top. And then I've already created these pockets for the inside lining. And I have this material left over from another project. So I'll use this for the inner lining. So I think it's gonna work out pretty well. Okay, I'm happy with this so far. So I'll do the other side. And I'll also do a zigzag here too on both sides. Okay, I'm gonna sew the bottom part and the sides. Double that up, I think. Let's measure, like right there. It's very scientific, isn't it? 4-inch. I wanted it to be thicker, but that's not how it turned out. Not ideal, but I think it's okay. Not quite what I had in mind, but it's definitely more sturdy than I imagined initially. Okay, now I'm gonna do the lining for the inside, and I have this fabric. Hopefully they're lined up, and they're not. I don't know, maybe I just need to iron it. Oh, see, it's lined up fairly well. Using this type of thick quilting cotton is perfect for lining this tote bag. I think it adds another layer of weight and structure, which a bag of this size really needs. So overall, I'm happy with it. It's a really big bag. 14 and what is this? Almost 15. Yeah, 15 inch. 15 by 20, and the bottom thickness is like 4. So things I still have to get done is I have to put this pocket in here. I think I will keep it kind of flappy like this, just the top, maybe down to here. But I'm gonna leave this bottom part not attached to the lining. I don't know why, but I kind of like that. And for the center strap, I have leftover fabric from here that I think I can use for it. Like that. Yeah, I think that's good. That's looking really, really cute. Okay, let's do this other side. Okay, what do you think? I think that's pretty cute. It's a big bag. Here's the finished orange silk Obi tote bag. I love how this project turned out. I'm excited to make another one, following this design with a different Obi. What do you think? Would you have done something differently? What part of it did you like the most? I'd love to hear your thoughts and what you're working on. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy this project, please like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. See you in the next video.